Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about typecasting. Typecasting is just a change of the data type. How we change the data type. For example, if it's float, how do I change it into an int? And similar stuff. Now, let's take an example where we might need typecasting. For example, let's say I have age of 123 is my age. Sure. Now I wanna print this age. What do I do? Well, I can say her age is, and let's try to run this program. Will it run? Let's see. It gives me an error. It says that it can only concatenate string, not integer. Remember that concatenation is an operator. This plus operator is an operator that is between a string and a string, but this is a number. So what do we do? Well, there is an operator that is used to concatenate, to convert this into a string, and that is the string operator, str. Now you have converted an age into a string, which is pretty cool, and now it should work. As you'll see, her age is 123. Now this is very interesting, but where else can you use it, and what are its limitations? Because it seems like you can almost convert anything into a string, right? But you cannot always convert a string into an integer or a float. For example, a name of someone cannot be converted into an integer. That doesn't make any sense. For example, if I wanna say that, oh well, my name is Sarah, and okay, my name is, just print it, because then I'm gonna have to do multiple conversions. And if I convert this into an integer, this should give me an error, because it cannot convert it into the base 10 or decimal integer. It's not possible. What are you talking about? So, well, I can convert a phone number that is just a number. This is totally possible. There you go. But what if there is a dash inside a number? Of course, this is not a valid integer. This is gonna give you an error. You can also use a float. For example, temperature, you can just save it as a temp. Let's say I have this. This is not a valid float, but I can try to convert it, and this should most probably give me an error. Invalid literal for int. Well, for int, that is. Same for the float. Could not convert the string to float. Now if I remove this, now this is a perfect float right there. I can convert this very easily, as you can see right here. So this was typecasting. You will use this everywhere, and they're just most basic ones are these three, right? There's int, there is float, and there is this thing called string, str. These three methods are what you will use to define these things, to convert these things into another type. So that's all for type coercion or type conversion or typecasting. We'll talk to you in the next video.